this area. There's a lot smoking because this is a smoking area from here. You cannot go, you cannot smoke anywhere unless with that smoke trash can. So, see, that is a putol na simbahan. Early morning, there's a lot of people here, mostly. Mostly people in China cannot speak English, just Kotongwa or Potongwa. See, my version of the song, lyrics Nancy. We're going to Evisa song by what? Wait. Benga Boys. As you can see, that is a putol na simbahan sa Malo. There's a lot of people early morning. That is all tourists. Where's my tissue? Cannot find my tissue. It's so hot, so I need to hurry. Hurry. That's just the YouTube guys actually messaged to me in my Google AdSense. Said my salary, it's already sent it to me. Thank you to all of you guys to support and to all giving us my very supportive super chatter. Thank you so much guys. Really, I'm so glad, I'm so happy, really. I'm very thankful. I have a friends like you guys. So I received my salary this month of May. So everyone, thank you so much. Mostly my super chatter. 7 Ways, Billy Jack. He bashing me, it's okay. But I'm so glad, I'm so thankful guys. Everyone, I invite you, all of you guys, this coming Saturday, back-to-back, one-on-one interview with Sis IC on YouTube, IC Fit, or because IC she have a 2 channel, IC in YouTube and IC Fit. So everyone, if you are free this coming Saturday, I invite you, all of you guys, to come and join with my interview one-on-one. This is the say panel. Can you remember guys? One-on-one interview. I'm late now, I know. I'm late now. Yes. Now you can sing my version. Yeah. I'm late na guys. Sorry. My boss, I know, he will be mad to me because I'm late. Because I thought it's Saturday today. So I wake up, it's around 7:50. So because this coming Saturday I don't have to work, so I thought it's Saturday. Ay, I'm late now. Even I want to buy a food, no, I cannot. I have time. I don't have a time. I don't have time. So I'm late now. I'm late. So guys, please, and this is San Malo. Still OMG, sorry boss, sorry. I need to say sorry to my boss because I'm late. Yes, I know I'm late. Ay, Kuya Bob, Maria. Good morning, Kuya Bob. How are you today, Kuya Bob?